5 Proven Strategies for Successful Digital Marketing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things digital marketing. Today, we're going to discuss 5 proven strategies that can help you achieve success in your digital marketing efforts. So let's get started. Number 1, make sure your website is optimized for search engines. This means including relevant keywords in your content, creating high-quality backlinks, and optimizing your website for mobile devices. Number 2, create engaging and shareable content. Your content should be relevant to your target audience, visually appealing, and shareable across different platforms. Number 3, use social media to your advantage. Build a strong social media presence, engage with your followers, and use paid social media advertising to reach a wider audience. Number 4, utilize email marketing. Create an email list of your target audience, send out regular newsletters, and personalize your emails to increase engagement. Number 5, measure and analyze your results. Use analytics tools to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and email campaign performance. This will help you refine your strategies and improve your digital marketing efforts over time. So, there you have it, 5 proven strategies for successful digital marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. If you want to take your digital marketing efforts to the next level, check out our website where we offer a range of digital marketing services tailored to your business needs. Click the link in the description box below to learn more.